Hey, hello guys. In this video, I want to show you the Contax SL300rt. Now, this is just sample video of the camera. It's not the best, and this is what you're going to get. It's a AVI file, 30 frames per second, 640 by 480. Audio, it's a mono and 4:3 aspect ratio. So there's a little short video. I'm actually going to put it on the video itself so you can see the quality is not the best. And yeah, so then the way you will get to that filming mode is right here. So you just toggle from one to the next. So if you, this is the menu, you want to go on here and toggle towards, that's regular picture mode. So if you go there, that is your filming mode right there. So there's your lens right there. And then so if you wanted to film, you can flip the camera like so, and then you would take your video. So as you can see, this is exactly how you will play your video. So right now, what I'm going to show you is the actual footage. Like I said, it's not the best sound or quality, but it does take video. And let's go to it. All right. So here is the sample footage of the Contax camera. It actually thinks it looks really good. There's water and some just random shots, not the best. So tell me what you think. 640 by 480, not bad. Aspect ratio 4:3, and the battery goes really fast, so you can get some